DeLorean Motor Company will release new car in 2017. The first prototype of DeLorean appeared in October 1976, and production officially began in 1981 in Dunmurry, a suburb of southwest Belfast, Northern Ireland, with the first DMC-12 rolling off the production line on January 21. The car features gull-wing doors and an innovative fiberglass chassis and underbody structure, along with a brushed stainless steel body. DMC became famous for its appearance and was modified as a time machine in the Back to the Future film trilogy. A little more than 8,500 DMC-12s left DeLorean's factory in Northern Ireland between 1981 and 1983, until its founder John DeLorean was arrested by the FBI on charges of drug trafficking. Actually, it is quite impressive that Texas-based DeLorean Motor Company could soon initiate again its production thanks to a new law which exempts small-volume car manufacturers from the safety requirements applied to the new cars. On January 27, 2016, in Humble, Texas location, the car maker announced that production will resume and new DMC-12s will be rolling off the assembly line in early 2017. Furthermore, the car maker announced that they would be producing 300 DMC-12 models in late 2016. Until now, the company's primary task was just to repair and restore all the DeLorean vehicles that were being driven around the world. But now, by taking advantage of the aforementioned law, DeLorean can use those parts in order to create a completely new 2017 model with a crate engine from an outside supplier. Truth be told, the horsepower which can offer the original DeLorean isn't so powerful, and that's why buying the engine from a third-party supplier is very important. The initial horsepower was about 130, while at this time the company examines a number of engine options, all between 300 and 400 horsepower. It's also going to move to 17-inch or 18-inch wheels, because it's impossible to receive high-performance tires on the 14 and 15-inch original rims. Pricing is expected to run between $80,000 and $100,000. It is also worth noting that replica cars still have to meet current Environmental Protection Agency standards for emissions, so the DMC-12's old Peugeot Renault Volvo V6 has been already ruled out.